In this video, I'm going to show you how I took off this traditional hub and replaced it with a tie-down engineering Vortex hub. You start by taking the cotter pin off. This one disintegrated in my hands, so you don't even have to salvage it, just get rid of it. Take off that little castle nut sleeve there, and now we'll take off the nut itself. I'm taking the wheel off at this point. Should have done that first, but it all comes out. So once you get the wheel out of the way, then you go over to your package, you get that opened up, and this is all the contents that comes with it. That little cap on there protects the bearings and keeps them inside there. We'll open up this package here. You got the dust cover and then 5 lug nuts, and includes a brand new cotter pin. So once you get the spindle cleaned off with some brake cleaner, then slide that new hub on there. Take that red plastic cover off, that's disposable. And this one has a little flat spot on the spindle. Match the flat spot with the washer if yours has one. They don't all have one. Get that nut screwed on there, and then torque it down to 50 pounds per the instructions, and then just back it off just a hair. Slide the castle nut sleeve over the top, get your cotter pin in place. I like to add a little extra Lucas marine grease just to make sure that it's totally full, and then take your dust cap, hand tighten it. Once you get the wheel on it, lower it down to the ground, and then you can crank on it for another 1/4 to 1/2 turn.